Hey there, plant milk enthusiasts. Are you tired of spending a fortune on store-bought almond milk filled with preservatives and additives? Have you been thinking about making your own fresh, delicious nut milk at home, but don't know where to start? Or maybe you're already making homemade plant milk, but struggling with the hassle of soaking nuts overnight and the mess of straining through cheesecloth? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 best nut milk makers on the market in 2025. Let's dive in. 7. Saker Automatic Nut Milk Maker. Starting our list at number 7 is the Saker Automatic Nut Milk Maker with a 34-ounce capacity. When I first unboxed this machine, I was impressed by its sleek design and compact footprint that doesn't take up much counter space. The Saker offers several functions beyond just making nut milk, including options for oat milk, rice paste, and even boiling water. During my testing, I found the Saker relatively easy to operate with its one-touch control panel. The machine has a decent motor that can blend almonds and other nuts into milk in about 15 minutes. I particularly like the delay start feature that allows you to set it up to 12 hours in advance, which means you can prepare everything before bed and wake up to fresh nut milk in the morning. However, I noticed some consistency issues with the Saker. When making almond milk, the texture was somewhat grainy, requiring additional straining through the included nut milk bag for a smoother result. This extra step defeats the purpose of having an all-in-one machine, as you still need to manually strain the milk afterward. The cleaning process was also not as straightforward as advertised, with some residue sticking to the blades that required additional scrubbing. The self-cleaning function works adequately, but doesn't eliminate the need for manual cleaning entirely. I also found the machine to be quite noisy during operation, which might be a concern if you're planning to use it early in the morning while others are sleeping. Number 6. Mooye Automatic Nut Milk Maker Machine. Coming in at number 6 on our list is the Mooye Automatic Nut Milk Maker with a 35-ounce capacity. This machine features a modern design with a clear LED display and 8 one-touch automatic programs for different beverages, including juice, soy milk, almond milk, milkshakes, oat milk, and rice paste. The Mooye also boasts 10 blades in a unique 3-layer design that promises thorough blending. I was initially impressed by how quickly the Mooye could produce nut milk, just about 2 minutes according to the manufacturer. In my testing, I found this to be mostly accurate for simple recipes. The machine also offers a 12-hour delay timer, which is convenient for overnight preparation, and the Keep Warm function ensures your beverage stays at the right temperature until you're ready to enjoy it. The Mooye's self-cleaning mode is a nice feature in theory, taking about 11 minutes to run through the cycle. However, I found that it didn't completely clean the machine, especially when making thicker milks like cashew or almond. There was still residue left on the blades and in corners of the container that required manual cleaning, which was somewhat frustrating given that easy cleanup is one of the main selling points. During my testing, I also noticed that the Mooye struggled with harder nuts like almonds, producing a somewhat gritty texture that required additional straining through the included nut milk bag for a smoother consistency. 5. Flelano 50-ounce Nut Milk Maker. Moving up to number 5, we have the Flelano 50-ounce Nut Milk Maker, which immediately stands out with its larger capacity, perfect for families or batch preparation. This machine features an impressive 20 stainless steel blades designed to create smooth, creamy plant-based milks without the need for pre-soaking your nuts or grains, which is a significant time saver. When testing the Flelano, I was impressed by its versatility. The machine offers 10 different functions for various types of plant-based milks and beverages. I particularly enjoyed using the specific settings for almond milk, oat milk, and soy milk, which each produced noticeably different but appropriate textures for these different ingredients. The powerful motor made quick work of even harder nuts like almonds, creating a smooth consistency that required minimal additional straining. The user interface on the Flelano is straightforward and intuitive, with clearly labeled buttons and a digital display that shows the remaining time for your selected program. I found the delay start feature particularly useful, allowing me to set up the machine before bed and wake up to fresh nut milk in the morning. The keep warm function also worked well, maintaining the temperature of the milk for several hours without affecting the taste or texture. Cleanup was relatively simple with the Flelano's auto clean function, which did a good job of removing most residue from the blades and container. 4. Evolsiti 45-ounce Nut Milk Maker Machine. At number 4, we have the Evolsiti 45-ounce Nut Milk Maker machine, which offers an excellent balance of capacity, functionality, and design. This multifunctional automatic plant-based milk maker caught my attention with its sleek appearance and substantial 45-ounce capacity, making it suitable for family use without taking up too much counter space. During my testing, I was impressed by the Evolsiti's versatility. It handles a wide range of ingredients, from nuts and grains to legumes, producing consistently good results across different milk types. The machine comes with multiple automatic programs for different beverages, including almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, and even juice. I found the preset programs to be well calibrated, producing the right texture for each type of milk without requiring adjustments to the default settings. The build quality of the Evolsiti stands out compared to some lower-ranked machines. It features a durable construction with quality materials that feel built to last. The control panel is intuitive with a clear LED display that shows the remaining time for your selected program. I particularly appreciated the 12-hour timer function, which allowed me to set up everything before bed and wake up to freshly made plant milk. The keep warm function also worked effectively, maintaining the temperature without affecting the taste or texture. Cleaning the Evolsiti is straightforward thanks to its auto clean function, which does a thorough job of removing residue from the blades and container. 3. AlfaBot Nut Milk Maker. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the AlfaBot Nut Milk Maker, which impressed me with its compact pitcher-style design and powerful performance. Despite its relatively small footprint, this machine packs a serious punch with its robust motor and 10 upgraded stainless steel blades that efficiently pulverize nuts, grains, and legumes into smooth, creamy milk. What sets the AlfaBot apart from many competitors is its built-in heating element, which allows it to not only blend but also cook ingredients like soybeans that benefit from heat processing. During my testing, I found this dual functionality incredibly versatile. I could make raw almond milk for smoothies and then switch to making hot soy milk or oat milk without needing a separate appliance. The heating capability also seemed to enhance the extraction process, resulting in richer, more flavorful milk compared to cold processing alone. The user interface on the AlfaBot is exceptionally intuitive, with a clear menu that allows you to select between different ingredients, including nuts, beans, yogurt, juice, and grains. Each program is optimized for the specific ingredient, taking the guesswork out of making different types of plant milk. I was particularly impressed with the soy milk program, which perfectly cooked and blended the beans for a traditional, authentic flavor that rivaled what I've had in Asian restaurants. Cleanup is where the AlfaBot truly shines. Unlike some other machines that have multiple components to disassemble and wash, the AlfaBot houses everything in one simple unit. 2. YUEWO Automatic Nut Milk Maker. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the impressive YUEWO Automatic Nut Milk Maker. This machine immediately stands out with its generous 50-ounce capacity and powerful 800-watt motor that makes quick work of even the toughest nuts and grains. The YUEWO combines thoughtful design with exceptional performance, making it one of the most versatile and user-friendly nut milk makers I've tested. During my evaluation, I was particularly impressed by the YUEWO's speed and efficiency. It can create raw plant-based milk in just 3 to 5 minutes, while hot beverages like oat, rice, and soy milk take around 20 minutes, significantly faster than many competitors. The machine features a one-touch smart digital control panel that's intuitive to use, with clearly labeled buttons for different milk types and functions. I found the interface to be accessible even for first-time users, with no complicated programming required. The quality of milk produced by the YUEWO is exceptional. Thanks to its powerful motor and well-designed blending mechanism, the resulting beverages are smooth and creamy with minimal grittiness. I made several batches of almond milk and was impressed by the rich, full-bodied texture that required no additional straining. The oat milk was equally impressive, with none of the sliminess that can sometimes occur with homemade versions. The machine even handled soybeans beautifully, producing a traditional soy milk that tasted authentic and fresh. 1. Almond Cow Nut Milk Maker Machine. Taking the crown as our #1 pick is the legendary Almond Cow Nut Milk Maker machine. This sleek, stainless steel appliance has revolutionized homemade plant milk with its innovative design and exceptional performance. After extensive testing, I can confidently say that the Almond Cow stands head and shoulders above the competition in terms of speed, ease of use, and quality of the final product. The Almond Cow's design is brilliantly simple, yet effective. It consists of a motorized unit with a stainless steel filter basket housed in a stainless steel pitcher. This minimalist approach eliminates unnecessary components while maximizing functionality. The machine operates with just a single button. Press it once, and the powerful motor, running at an impressive 10,000 RPM, creates delicious plant milk in just 60 seconds. Yes, you read that right. Just 1 minute from nuts to milk, making it by far the fastest option on our list. What truly impressed me during testing was the Almond Cow's versatility and the quality of milk it produces. I made everything from almond and cashew milk to oat milk, and even more exotic options like hemp and macadamia milk. Each batch came out with a rich, full-bodied flavor that far surpassed store-bought alternatives. The optimized emulsification program, developed by an MIT graduate, ensures efficient blending that extracts maximum flavor and nutrition from your ingredients. While some users report the milk being on the thinner side, I found that adjusting the ratio of nuts to water easily solved this issue, allowing me to create milk exactly to my preferred consistency. Final thought. So there you have it, my comprehensive breakdown of the 7 best nut milk makers of 2025. Whether you're a plant milk enthusiast looking to upgrade your setup or a newcomer ready to dive into the world of homemade nut milk, there's an option on this list to suit your needs and budget. Remember that the best machine for you depends on your specific requirements. Consider factors like capacity, versatility, ease of cleaning, and of course, your budget when making your decision. Have you tried any of these nut milk makers? Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and plant-based content. Until next time, happy milk making.